everybody. I'm here to try and teach some tables. Now, as you know, Pete the Parrot is really good at his tables, aren't you, Pete?
Yes, I am.
But Monkey here is still learning his tables. He doesn't really know his tables very well. Okay, so we need to help you, don't we, Monkey? So, Pete, do you think you could teach Monkey some of your tables? Okay, right, so what's the first one you're going to teach him?
6 times 7.
What is 6 times 7? You haven't got a clue? Ah, I know. 6 times 7. You haven't got a clue. The answer must be...
42.
That's right. 6 times 7. I haven't got a clue. The answer must be...
42.
Great. Right, let's try another one. What do you reckon, Pete?
7 times 8.
7 times 8. That's a good one. Do you know 7 times 8? No. Okay, you don't. Well, there's an easy way to remember 7 times 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8.
That's it, Pete. Well done. Monkey, you'll soon remember that one. Okay, here's another one. What about 8 times 8? Eights remind you of fat ladies? Okay then, let's think. So we've got an 8 times 8.
2 fat ladies sitting on the floor.
2 fat ladies sitting on the floor. The answer must be...
64.
64! 2 fat ladies sitting on the floor. That's brilliant, Pete.
Thank you.
So we need another one now. What could we do for the next one? What do you reckon, Pete?
What about doing the 6 times 6?
That's a great one. 6 times 6 is...
36.
That's right. Now, when we say 6 times 6 is 36, we need to move like this. Okay? So, 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is...
36.
6 times 6 is...
36.
Right, let's try and move now on the 36. I'll say the 36 and you two move. Maybe the children at home, on 36, you can move your hips. 36. You ready? Here we go. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. Great! That was really, really good. Right, now let's think of another one we could do. Oh, I know a good one. 6 times 8 is 48. What's 6 times 8, Pete?
48.
That's right, 48. What's 6 times 8, Monkey? Monkey. Oh, come on, Monkey. What's 6 times 8, Monkey? Oh, 6 times 8. Don't make me wait. The answer must be...
48.
That's right. 6 times 8. Don't make me wait. The answer must be 48. That's right. Come on now, Monkey. You can have a go at doing that one. 6 times 8. Don't make me wait. The answer must be...
48.
Yeah, okay, that was a good effort. That's a good start. Okay, right, one more. Now, there's a really hard one that comes near the end of the 9 times table. It's really difficult. It's 9 times 12. Now, what we do to remember this one is we go 108. Now, watch me, and I'll show you what we do. 108, we go 108. Like that. You think you can do that? 108. Okay, you think you can do that? You think you can do that, Pete? Okay, you ready? You practice without me. Ready? 9 times 12 is 108. Brilliant. Let's do it again. I'll try and join in this time. Ready? 9 times 12 is 108. Now, can we try doing it and saying it at the same time? Oh, that's going to be tricky. Okay, it's going to be tricky for all of us. You ready? 9 times 12 is 108. Perfect. Okay, so now we've got lots to do, haven't we? We've got 6 times 7. I haven't got a clue. The answer must be
42.
good. 5, 6, 7, 8. 56 is 7 times 8. Your favourite one? 2 fat ladies sitting on the floor. The answer must be
64.
that's right. And now we've got 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. We've got 6 times 8, don't make me wait. The answer must be
48.
6 times 8, don't make me wait. Monkey.
48.
That's right, 48. And the last one, 9 times 12 is 108. Great. Keep practicing, children. See you later. Say bye-bye, Pete.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Monkey. See you, everybody.